Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In today's video we are going to change the whole rear suspension and axle on this Volkswagen Tiguan 2012. Yes. And as you can see, the whole rear axle is gone. It is right here on the floor. We are going to change some parts, and the other parts like the arms, the main arms, and some of the secondary arms we will change, and the main ones like this we will save because they are too expensive. And what we have done, we changed only the rubber bearings, and also here on this one. And also we changed the rubber bearings on this wheel hub. There is only one right here and one right here. And the secondary arms, like the top one and the bottom one, the small one, we will change all of them because they are not that expensive, but the main arms are quite expensive, yes. Very good. So as you can see here, we also this one. This is the secondary. As you can see, the rubber here is.
Ooh.
It is in bad condition, and also we are going to change these stabilizers bars because they are done, and the whole axle on the car will be new, except for the springs and
shocks.
And also we are going to change the gasket or whatever it is you call it on the Haldex clutch, because as you can see it is always dropping. And also the filter for the clutch, we are going to change it too. And also on these main arms, they are right here, like this. We are going to change the rubber bearings here because it is cracked and it is squeezing all over the place. So they are in bad condition. Oh, you can see. We don't care. So we need to lose this bolt, and then we are going to use our hydraulic press, so we can change the rubber bearings. It is a lot of work, but I will be happy when it will be all done. And also then we need to do geometry for the vehicle, so the wheels will be straight, not one to left, one to right, and you know, because you need to do it when you change some parts on the rear axle. And we are changing all of them, so we need to do also the geometry after that. So let's get to work. Here we got our new rubber bearings. There are two, one for the one side and the other for the other side also. And good part for when you're changing something on rear axle is that like shocks and bearings and not bearings, springs, and also when you're changing the bearings, you need to change them in pair, because when you change only one side, then the other side will be softer and the new side will be harder, and the softer side will getting more damage because it is the construction, it is not stable on both sides. So that is why when you are changing also the springs, when one is broken or whatever, you need to change them in pair. Also the shocks, also the rubber bearings, and a lot of that stuff.
Yeah, because the vehicle will be not feeling the same on each side.
Yes. It will be different on the one side and on the other side. So my English is not very good, as you know, So I hope you understand everything what I said. And this is the new arms. As you can see, they are new, like new. Yes, again in pairs. And also the other stuff.
Strong man.
Yes, they are pretty much the same. There is not the right one or the left one. They are pretty much the same, so you can exchange them and whatsoever. But not every arm is the same. On some cars there are different types of length and curves and whatsoever, so there are on the left and on the other side. Every car is different. As you can see on these arms, the left side is different and the right side is different, and also the installation of the arm is different on each side. I will show you so you can see. Yes, this is on the left and this is on the right side. You cannot exchange them because the installation will not fit, and also this part is different, as you can see, from the one and the other side. So these typically arms cannot be exchanged, like the small one, which can be exchanged, but this one, no. Okay, now you will have the little bit compilation on changing these rubber bearings and a little bit of compilation, you know. When you're changing the rubber bearings, you need to check the position of the bearings. When you put them in different way, like it's supposed to be, the car can behave different, and also it can work different on the car. So it will be good to mark the position of it, so it will not behave different. And also some of the types of the rubber bearings are different. It can be different from the one and the other side, so check on that too, so you don't put them different and it will not fit and it will behave differently and lots of that stuff, so check on that.
Here we got the hydraulic press, shop press, 30 tons. Oh my god.
Also, when you are changing the rubber bearings, you need to clean
Inside.
the inside where it is holding. So as you can see, it is dirty, so we are going to clean it up, put some Vaseline on it, so it will be much more smoother to put it back in the new one. So as you can see, the new one is there, and there's the Vaseline. It's okay.
Oh shit.
And you need to check the rubber bearing is frequently on one and on the other side, so it will be not here like 2 or 3 millimeters in, and there will be 2 or 3 millimeters out. You need to be, it will be,
Exactly in.
yes, same
Same.
on both sides. Okay, that's the one. The other one is the same part, same
Same.
process.
Same process. Yeah.
So everything is done and prepared for the application, and now we will put everything together, and I hope it will work. So enjoy the time. As you can see, guys, it is finished, and we will repeat the process for you. So, as I was disassembling all, and then I repeat the process when I was put it in back together. So first of all was these arms. Yes, there is main bolt right here. Okay, and there is second bolt right here. Here. This is the top, the top arms. So the same on the other side. Yes, bolt right here, and the main bolt right here. Okay, the second, come here. The second arm was this one down. Yes, one bolt right here, and one bolt right here. The same on the other side. One bolt right here. Yes, and the second bolt right here. Then I attach the main arms. As you can see,
Exhaust.
as you can see here, this one is holding the spring, so we use this transmission jack to
Lift it up.
yes, lift it up and squeeze the spring. So first of all, I attach these middle bolts, yes, and then I push it up, and then I attach the second bolt right here. Then I attach the stabilization rods. As you can see, one bolt right here, and the second bolt is from the outside, right here. Yeah, and the same on the other side. Yes, one bolt right here, and the other bolt from the outside. But I have to remove the whole stabilization, so there is two bolts on each side. There is one bolt right here and the other one on the top. You need to lift up this axle so you can lose this one bolt. As you can see, it is blocking it, so you need to again push the whole side of the axle up so you can get to these bolts. It's the same on the other side. One bolt right here, down, and one bolt right here. Okay, and I broke this. This is the headlamp calibration. When you go on
Bumpy road.
it is going up and down, and because of that your headlight is in stable mode, not shaky or anything else. Also, these main arms They are attached here. 4 bolts, yes. 2 on the inside and 2 on the outside. There is one, and there is the second behind this protection. Here. Up. So, and the same on the other side. Okay guys, and that's it for changing the rear axle, the rubber bearings and stuff. So I hope you will learn something from me. And the next step is we'll put on the wheels. Tomorrow the car will go on geometry, so you need to geometry the wheels, so it will be nice and straight, and also, you know what I mean, because now it is pretty
Chic shack shop.
yes, chic shack shop. I can see by eyes this wheel is going to little bit to left, and this wheel is pretty much the straight, but you need to do the geometry. You cannot do it by your eyes. It is not that perfect like the geometry. Okay, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. So like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.